Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add double touch skill in eFootball. The double touch is a skill move that allows you quickly to change direction and beat defenders. It can be executed on both console or PC and mobile. Now, on the console or PC controller, tilt the right stick toward the direction you want the player to move. Immediately flick the stick again in the same direction. Just a tip, the second flick must be quick, too slow, and the double touch won't trigger. And if you're on mobile, swipe the skill move stick in the direction you want to move, then swipe it again quickly in the same direction. 2 rapid swipes are required to successfully perform the double touch. Just a pro tip, you can practice in training mode or to master the rhythm and focus on speed and precision. The move won't trigger if your inputs are too slow. And mastering the double touch helps you dribble past defenders and create scoring opportunities more effectively. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.